Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of MG Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to 11th Maths First. Topic number first, angle and its measurement. Subunit arc length and area of sector. So let's start today's video. Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 11th Maths First. We had started topic number first, angle and its measurement. In earlier video, we had completed what is the angle in degree and radian. We had also seen examples in exercise 1.1. Student, now today we will start one new point, that is arc length and area of a sector. You had learned the word arc and sector in 9th and 10th standard. What is the arc? You know there are two types of arc, minor, major or semicircular. There are three types of arc. And we had also seen what is the sector. You had seen. Okay. Now we here also use this same concept. See in the figure, O is the center of the circle. This distance is the arc. Here arc AB is given. We denote this by letter S. It is the length of sector. Okay. This is the sector. Okay. This is the sector formula. And this sector, length of this sector, we denote by letter S. Here theta is the central angle. R is the radius of the circle. Then what is the length of arc and area of the sector? Arc is this one is the arc. We have to find length, arc length and area of the sector. We denote area of sector by letter A. Suppose A here, what are the things? R is radius of circle. You suppose A is area of sector. And then you suppose S, capital S. What is the capital S here? Arc length of a sector. Arc length of a sector. Okay. R, A and S. You know these things. And then theta. Theta is the central angle. From this student, we define first area of sector. A formula is A is equal to half R square theta. This is the formula for finding area of sector. Area of sector A is equal to 1 upon 2 into R square theta. A is the area of sector, R is the radius and theta is the central angle. Then second, arc length, we denote arc length by S. S is equal to R theta. Okay, these are the two important formulas for finding area of sector and arc length of a sector. ह्या सेक्टरचा एरिया काढण्यासाठी हा फॉर्म्युला आहे आणि ह्या सेक्टरचं लेंथ काढण्यासाठी ह्या आर्कचं लेंथ काढण्यासाठी कुठला फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा आहे आपल्याला? आर थीटा. ओके. नाउ वी विल सी एक्झाम्पल्स बेस्ड ऑन एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर and arc length of a sector. That is example in exercise 1.2. So let's start. Now we will see examples in exercise 1.2. See in the textbook page number 11. Question number 1. Find the length of an arc of a circle which subtend an angle of 108 at the center. Which subtend an angle of 108 means which makes angle of 108 at the center. Subtend म्हणजे तयार करतो इथं, हा म्हणजे सेंटरशी झालेला अँगल आहे इथं. And radius is given 15 centimeter. We have to find length of arc. What are the given things? See in the question number 1. Which are the given things? Given that What are the given things? See, we have to given central angle theta. Theta is given 108 degree. R is given, radius is given 15 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find here. What we have to find? Length of an arc. Means we have to find S. Okay, so we know the formula for. We know that the formula for S is equal to R theta. 15 into 108. Okay, this is in degree. We have to convert this into radian. Okay, we have to convert this into radian. So 108 we write as into pi upon 180 radian. Okay, 18 1 is 18, 18 6 are 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. So we get here 15 into 3 pi by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So we get S is equal to 9 pi. Okay, what is the S is here? S means arc length of the sector, which is in centimeter. Okay, understand first. Similarly, see the second example. The radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc of the circle which cut off the chord of length equal to length of radius. See here, first we draw the figure. What is the given example? See, circle is given, so we draw here first figure of circle. I draw the figure here. You draw with the help of compass. O is the center. We had given radius 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc of the circle which cut off the chord of the length equal to length of radius. हा आर्क ऑफ सेंटर काढायचा आहे, जो कट करतोय म्हणलेला आहे हा कॉर्डला. कॉर्ड कुणाबरोबर आहे? वी डिड नॉट हियर ए अँड बी. कॉर्ड AB इज इक्वल टू रेडियस दिलेला आहे. विच बघा काय म्हणलेलं आहे? विच कट ऑफ द कॉर्ड ऑफ लेंथ इक्वल टू रेडियस. ओके, सो हियर इन द फिगर व्हाट आर द थिंग्स गिवन? R is given 9 centimeter. Theta is given? No, we had not given theta. Then which are the things given? OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is given. Chord ची लेंथ कुणा एवढी दिलेली आहे? रेडियस एवढी दिलेली आहे. बघा तिन्ही इक्वल आहेत. आपल्याला तर अँगल दिला नाही, पण ही कंडिशन दिली आहे. OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. All sides are equal, means it is equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay, it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle theta is 60 degree. Equilateral triangle angle किती असणार आहे? 60 degree. What we have to find here? Find the length of an arc. Means here we have to find S. S is equal to R theta. R is 9, theta is 60 degree. We write in radian as pi by 180 radian. 1 0 will cancel. 6 3 is 18, 3 3 is 9. Means we get S as 3 pi centimeter. Okay, understand? Here directly given. Here we had given these two radius cuts the sector in the chord which is chord equal to the radius असलेला. Okay, see student, question number 3. Find the angle in degree subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter. Arc ची length दिली आहे 15 centimeter. Means here we had given S. S is given 15 centimeter and radius of the circle is given 25. So which are the things given here? First you write the given things. R is given and S is given. Radius is given 25 centimeter and S is given 15 centimeter. Okay. We have to find angle in degree subtended at the center. Means here we have to find angle theta in degree we want. Okay. Theta in degree we want. So we know that the formula S is equal to R theta. R is 25 into 15. Okay. Sorry, here theta we want theta 25. So we get here theta is equal to 15 upon 25. This is in radian, but we want this in degree. So we write here theta is equal to 15 upon 25 into. We have to convert radian to degree. We had learned in the earlier exercise how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. Radian to degree करताना काय करायचं आहे 180 upon pi ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे डिग्री मध्ये होईल. ओके. Understand? So here 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are. So we get theta is equal to 108 degree. 108 degree upon pi. This is the angle subtended. Okay. Next question number 4. A pendulum of length of 14 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 18 degree. पेंडुलम इथे ना तुम्हाला असं दोलक म्हणतोय पण घड्याळामध्ये असतो बघा. हा पेंडुलम काय करतोय ऑसिलेट करतोय म्हणजे इकडून तिकडे असं जातोय तो थ्रू एन अँगल ऑफ 18 डिग्री. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ इट्स पाथ. बघा असा पेंडुलम असेल समजा तो असा इकडून इकडे असं जाणार आहे तर सेंटरला आहे. ओके. काय दिले आपल्याला पेंडुलम लेंथ इज गिवन 14 सेंटीमीटर. ह्या पेंडुलमची लेंथ दिली म्हणजे काय असणार आहे रेडियस. दिस इज गिवन 14 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. अँड व्हॉट वी हॅड गिवन अँगल ऑफ 18 डिग्री. किती अँगल तो इकडून तिकडे होतोय बघा ऑसिलेट होतोय 18 डिग्रीला. वी हॅव रिक्वायर्ड फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ इट्स पाथ. वी हॅव टू फाइंड दिस पाथ मीन्स वी हॅव टू फाइंड एस. ओके. So which are the given things? Easy. R is given here 14 centimeter. Theta is given 18 degree. We have to find S. We know that S is equal to R theta 14 into 18 degree. We have to convert degree into radian. You multiply here by pi by 180. 18 ones are 18. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are that is 7 pi by 5. So we get here length as S, that is length as 7 pi by 5. Okay, this is the length of an arc. Here completed question number 4. See question number 5. Two arcs of the same length subtend angle of 60 degree and 75 degree. At the center of the two circles. बघा दोन सर्कलचे अँगल दिलेत आपल्याला 60 डिग्री आणि 75 डिग्री. व्हॉट इज द रेशो ऑफ रेडिया ऑफ टू सर्कल. त्या दोन सर्कलच्या रेडियाचा रेशो विचारलाय. ओके. वी सपोज लेट R1 and R2 are radii of given circles. For first circle, we suppose for first circle we suppose theta 1. What is the angle is given? Theta 1 is 60 degree. Okay. And radius we suppose R1. Radius we have to find. Arc is same. S1. For second circle, we suppose theta as theta 2, which is given 75 degree. R2 we have to find, okay? And given that here, what is given that see, two arcs of the same length subtend. दोन्हीचे आर्कची लेंथ काय दिलेली आहे तिथं सेम दिलेली आहे. मीन्स हियर S1 and S2 are same given. We know the formula for S1. S1 is equal to R1 theta 1 and S2 is equal to R2 theta 2. If we divide this both, S1 upon S2 is equal to R1 theta 1 upon R2 theta 2. These both are same here. Okay. So here S1 is equal to S2. Here S1 and S2 are same given. So we write R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta. That is R1 upon R2 is equal to theta 2 upon theta 1. What is theta 2? 75 degree upon 60 degree. Okay, we convert this into radian. That is 75 into, we convert this radian in x multiplied by pi by 180. Here 60 into pi by 180. 6 from the 6 is 18. Or here 180 get cancelled. You can directly cancel 60 degree into pi by 180. Okay, that is we get here 6 5 1 is 5, 4 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is. See here this get cancelled, that is 25 3 is 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. Okay, 4 1 is 4, or you divide by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is. Okay, 3 4 is 3 5 is. That is 5 by 4. We get R1 upon R2 as 5 by 4. That is R1 is to R2. We want ratio. We get the ratio as 5 upon 4. Okay, understand? Here R is same given. S1 and S2 are same. See question number 6. The area of the circle is given 25 pi square centimeter. Area is given 25 pi square centimeter. Area of circle is given. Find the length of an arc subtending an angle of 144 degree. Theta is given 144 degree. We have to find arc of the sector. Also find the area of the corresponding sector. We have to find area of sector. It is given area of circle. It is given area of circle. Okay. So we know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. But area is given 25 pi. That is equal to pi r square. Pi get cancelled. R square is equal to 25. So we get r is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we want s. S is equal to r theta. Radius we had calculated 5 into theta is 144 degree. We convert this into radian. 144 into pi by 180 radian. Okay. Here 9 2 are 18, 0, 9 1 are 9, 9 6 are 4 5 are 24, 4 are 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. That is we get S is equal equal to 4 pi centimeter. We get the value of S as 4 pi centimeter. Now we want area of sector. Area of sector. What is the formula? Half r square theta. Half into r square means 5 square into theta. Theta is given 144. Okay. So here again r square theta 144. We convert this 1 upon 2 into 5 square 25. 144 into pi by 180. 2 1 जा 2, 2 7 जा 2 जा 18 1 जा 18, 18 4 जा 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 जा 4, 5 2 जा 10 pi. So we get area of sector as we get as 10 pi square centimeter. Okay. See question number 7. OAB is the sector of the circle having center at O and radius is given 12 centimeter. If major angle AOB is equal to 45 degree, find the difference between the area of sector OAB and triangle OAB. For this we first draw the figure. See, I draw here the figure. Okay, I draw in the figure. You draw with the help of compass box. We had given which things we had given. See, OAB is the sector. O, A and B. This is OAB is the sector of the circle having center at O and radius 12 centimeter. Okay, major angle AOB. This angle is given 45 degree. We have to find difference between area of sector and triangle AOB. If you join this, area of sector means all this, and this is triangle. Okay, so we have to find difference of this. Means we have to find area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, first we find area of sector, which are given things. R is given 12 centimeter. Theta is given 45 degree. First we have area of sector. We know A is equal to half r square theta. Half into r square means 12 into 12 into theta is 45 degree. We convert this into radian. 1 upon 2 into 12 into 12 into 45 into pi by 180. Okay, you first find area of sector. 2 6 जा 6 1 जा 6 6 3 जा 18, 15 2 जा 15 3 जा 2 1 जा 2 2 6 जा 6 3 जा 18. So we get area as 18 pi square centimeter. Area we get 18 pi square centimeter. Now we want area of triangle OAB. How to find? We know if we draw here perpendicular, then this is the base and this is height. Okay, so what is the formula? Sin 45. You know sin 45 is opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, this is perpendicular. So we find first, suppose this is perpendicular AM. Draw AM perpendicular to OB. Sin 45 is equal to, sin 45 means opposite side AM upon hypotenuse OA. What is sin 45? You know 1 upon root 2 into AM. We want AM. OA is given 12. So we get AM is equal to 12 upon root 2. Okay, we get. So we write here 12 upon root 2 into root 2. We rationalize here 12 root 2 upon 2. We get AM is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Now to find area of triangle. Area of triangle OAB. equal to half into base OB into height AL. Half into OB 12 into 6 root 2. That is 36 root 2 square centimeter. Okay. Now we want the difference. Therefore, now area of sector minus area of triangle OAB is equal to, what is the area of sector? 18 pi. 18 pi minus 36 root 2. Here 18 is common. Pi minus 2 root 2 square centimeter. This is the final answer. Okay, understand? Question number 8C. OPQ is the sector of a circle having center at O and radius 15 centimeter. Measure angle POQ is given 30 degree. Find the area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ. So here also we draw first a rough figure. Okay. What are the given things, student? Triangle OPQ is the sector of the circle having center O. O is the center and PQ. OPQ is the sector. Angle POQ, this angle is given 30 degree. Radius is given 15 centimeter. It is radius given 15 centimeter. Find the area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ. If we draw chord, then we have to find the area enclosed by arc PQ. This is and chord PQ. ह्यांनी एनक्लोज झालेला एरिया म्हणजे हा एरिया. ओके. एरिया enclosed by arc and chord PQ. Means here we have to find first sector, area of sector and area of triangle. For finding area of triangle, you draw perpendicular. Okay, you draw here perpendicular and then you draw. Here you draw perpendicular PQR suppose. Okay. So which are the given things? R is given 15 centimeter. Theta is given 30 degree. Now we first find area of sector. Area of sector is equal to half r square theta. Half into r square means 15 into 15 into 30 degree. Half into 15 into 15 into, we convert degree into radian by pi by 180 radian. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. So what remains? C. 15 5s are 75 upon 2 2s are 4 pi radian. So we get here area as 75 pi upon 4. Area of sector square centimeter. We find area of sector. Now we want area of triangle. For this you draw perpendicular PR perpendicular to OQ. Now we use sine 30 degree is equal to PR upon OP. What is the sine 30? Sine 0 0, sine 30 is half. Half is equal to PR upon OP is 15. So we get PR is equal to 15 upon 2 centimeter. We get PR. Okay. Now we find area of triangle OPQ is equal to half into OQ into PR base. Half into OQ is 15 into 15 upon 2. That is 15 into 15, 225 upon 4 square centimeter. This is the area of triangle OPQ. We find area of sector and area of triangle. Now we want area. What is given? We find area enclosed by. Therefore, area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ is given by. How to find this? We find by area of sector minus area of triangle OPQ. What is area of sector? 75 pi by 4 minus area of triangle 225 upon 4. Okay, here common is 75 upon 4 is common, so what remains? Pi minus 75 threes are, okay, square centimeter. This is the required answer. Okay, then question number 9, you can solve yourself. Perimeter is given, perimeter of sector is given, means this is sector. Perimeter is given means 2 times radius plus s means perimeter. Okay, from this you have to find area of sector. You can find easily. And 10th also perimeter is given and you have to find area of sector. Perimeter of sector means हा पूर्ण होणार आहे perimeter. ट्रायंगल कसं काढतो? इनी बाजूची बेरीज. तसं एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, पेरिमीटर ऑफ सेक्टर कसं करणार? 2 रेडियस आणि हा आर्क. ओके, so students, here we completed exercise 1.2. Today we had seen what is the arc length of the sector. Arc length we denote by capital letter S. S is equal to r theta. And area of sector we denote by capital letter A, 1 upon 2 r square theta. Okay, here this exercise is completed and this topic is also completed. Your today's homework is solve this exercise 1.2 completely in your notebook. It is very easy topic. Here topic number first of maths first we had completed. Okay, thank you.